Wishing that I could run away with you. Imprisoned by fear, just pull me away, pull me away. Secret fantasies of me. Will they ever see the light of day, light of day? I don't know where you are, but I will find you. I will find you.
Oh, that's a nice looking dog. What kind of a dog is it?
Huh?
What kind of a dog is it?
She's a kind of a big mix of breeds.
Oh, cool. She looks like she's doing good.
Thank you. Get it. Bring. Get it. Bring. Good job. Get it. Bring. Yes. Get it. Bring. Yes. Good job. Mom. Those are not service dogs. What? Okay. Leave it. Hazel, leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Sitting there barking at Hazel. This is fuck. Hazel, leave it. Leave it. I didn't think they had any. I didn't see any.
Huh?
I didn't see any. Leave it. You're fine. Stop. Stop. Hazel. Stop. You're fine. And that is why you carry this. So to recap, 2 Pomeranians came in when we were leaving. Clearly not service dogs. They were labeled. One was labeled as a service dog. I think one was labeled as an ESA. And then as we were leaving, we were like, crap, we were gonna get some food, some chicken stuff. So we go back in and we literally follow this person that has 2 black Pomeranians. I think they're Pomeranians. 2 little black dogs, and then another animal we didn't know what it was in a little crate in the cart that was being covered up. So there was a total of 5 fake service dogs in the store at one time. And then Hazel, which is a real service dog, in training. And that dog scared the living daylights out of her. I said something to the first people, but I didn't say anything to the second people, just because mainly, I was more worried about her, about this one, and I was, like, ready to grab my pepper spray. So this is, like, a couple hours later. I'm at home. I just woke up. I'm actually editing this right now, and I just want to say a couple things. Walmart is not pet friendly. I want to make that very clear. Walmart is not pet friendly. You can't put animals in a cart. ESA do not have public access rights. Service dogs don't act like that. Today just sucks right now. I don't know if I'll have to pull Hazel from public access right now because of that dog. I don't know. Today's bad right now.